In a world full of opportunities, people are trying to maximize their income through different means. A full-time job has turned into an antique concept, and passive income streams are taking over. And in this buzzing world of making money over the internet, YouTube Faceless Automation is one way to build a career on the internet. So, want to know how? Then stick around. Hello everyone, welcome back on MoneyCademy, where we tell you all the good ways to make money. In today's video, I am going to clear all this buzz around making more than $5,000 from a faceless YouTube channel. Not only that, but I will tell you how making $5,000 in a month is just a starting point, and you can make much more than that if you do things the right way. So, without any further ado, let's jump right into it. Before I dive into the topic, let's get a few things clear. Don't think of this as a get-rich-quick scheme or a secret formula to become a millionaire overnight. Building a successful YouTube channel and grabbing the attention of the audience takes time, effort, and strategic planning. But again, if done in the right way, it can be a rewarding way to earn passive income while expressing your creativity. So, if you are a camera-shy introvert or someone who wants to leverage automation and make passive money through expressing their creativity online, then this video is right for you. We'll break down the step-by-step process to build and automate a faceless YouTube channel with tips, tools, and everything else you will need on this journey of becoming a faceless YouTube creator. Now that all's clear, let's get to real talk. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. And let's get started. Step 1. Finding and choosing your niche. First things first, it is crucial for you to find and choose a niche for your channel that not only delivers some kind of value to the audience, but also ignites your passion. Jumping on the mimicry bandwagon and chasing trends is easier, but building something sustainable and resonates with a larger audience requires value addition. Plus, you don't want to get into something that you will end up leaving just because you got bored. So, think about your interests, what you're knowledgeable about, and what problems you can solve. This could be anything from personal finance and DIY tutorials to gaming walkthroughs and informative documentaries. Here's a little disclaimer. When you choose to go with a very specific and narrower niche, your channel might see stagnant growth. However, this means a more dedicated audience. To ensure a sustainable income stream, it is important that you attract the audience through your content, not some cheap clickbait thumbnails. So, now that I have told you the recipe to start with, it's up to you what you can come up with. Before we continue, however, I hope you are enjoying the video. We would really appreciate you to go ahead and subscribe, share, and like the channel so that you keep watching our content. Now, with that out of the way, let us continue the video. Step 2. Content creation and bringing the automation into action. Next up is the point where the real magic happens. Yes, I am talking about creating the content. So let's start from the beginning and I'll tell you how to do it properly. Automation can be done through several tricks and tools available online that you can learn and use to create the content. Let me stop you there because even though we are here to talk about making money through a faceless YouTube automation channel, it is the content that will help you make money. And high-quality content always starts with a strong concept and engaging storytelling. So it depends on what sort of content you want to create and put out there. But here are some ideas that will help you navigate into the world of faceless content creation. 1. Screencast tutorials. At number 1, we have screencast tutorials where you can explain different software, teach skills, or walk viewers through complex topics using screen recordings and voiceovers. These are very simple, as all you have to do is talk about anything that you already know and are familiar with. In fact, let me just give you an example. For instance, you are a heavy user of Microsoft Excel, so you, out of everybody, know how important it is. What you can do is teach people how to use Excel just by doing a screen recording while using the software and putting voiceovers behind it. And boom, you just made faceless content. 2. Animated explainer videos. Next up, we have animated explainer videos where you can use animation software to create visually captivating narratives that can either be for education purposes or any form of entertaining content. Now, this is something that you might want to learn. Animation is a great skill, and you can make money by publishing those animated videos on your Faceless YouTube channel. 3. Stock footage compilation. Now, this one is pretty straightforward, and I believe one of those forms of faceless videos that we come across the most over YouTube. All you have to do is curate copyright-free footage and music to create themed videos like travel vlogs, nature documentaries, historical overviews, or future technologies. These are just some random ideas, so you can choose other ideas if you decide to move forward with this form of content. These 3 are some of the most popular ways of making faceless content. But there's one advice that I would like to dispense before I move on to the next step, and that is even with automation, your voice and perspective matter. So do not forget to inject your personality into the script, choose the right music and visual style, and most importantly, make it informative and engaging in a way that's yours. This touch of personalization is important if you want to build a loyal audience for your channel. Step 3, tools to make the content. Now that you have decided what sort of content you are going to make, let's dive into the world of tech wizardry and find you that tool that can fuel your automated content creation machine. Script writing tools. First up, we have tools like Jasper, Copy.ai, and Shortly AI that will help you generate video scripts based on your keywords and outlines. Don't forget, all these tools use AI-based systems, and the scripts will only be as good as your prompts. Unfortunately, AI has not reached that stage where it can mimic human emotions. So even if you use the tools, don't forget to proofread and edit them so those watching your videos connect and resonate with you. Text-to-speech software. After writing a script, the next thing you will need is text-to-speech software through which you can turn the script into a voiceover. I would suggest you go with recording voiceovers in your voice, but if you truly want to experience automation, then tools like Natural Reader, Murph, and Descript will let you turn your scripts into realistic voiceovers, even with different accents and emotions. Video editing software. Once you have the script, voiceover, and visuals, it's time to make the video. Here, tools like DaVinci Resolve, Filmora, and HitFilm Express offer affordable options for cutting, adding effects, and polishing your videos. Use the tool that fits your needs. Thumbnails. Finally, when you have done everything, it's time to publish the video. But before that, you need an interesting thumbnail that will make the YouTubers open your video. So all you have to do is go to Photoshop or Canva and design the thumbnail that fits your need and video. Once done, you are all set to publish. These were just a few examples and some of the most trending tools that you can use. However, it is okay if you want to use another tool or platform, because in the end, it all depends on your budget and specific needs. But remember, technology is only as good as the person using it. Step 4. Channel optimization. Finally, it's time to talk about the make or break stuff for your YouTube channel. We are talking about channel optimization. So what does optimization mean? For those who don't know, optimization is a series of tactics that you apply to your channel to make it more discoverable, which results in more interactions and views per video. And here's how you can do it. 1. Keyword research. You can use tools like Google Keyword Planner and Ahrefs to identify relevant keywords for your content type and optimize your video titles, descriptions, and hashtags to improve your video's discoverability. 2. Channel branding. Next, you have to create a consistent visual identity, including a catchy logo, banner, and intro-outro sequence for your channel, which will be an introduction of you and your channel to the audience. Do not compromise on this. 3. Engage with your audience. Another way to build trust and gain the loyalty of the audience is through engaging with them. Your face will not be out there, so you can do this by responding to comments, answering questions, and hosting live streams to build a community around your channel. Step 5. Monetization. Now that your channel has been optimized, it's time to get money for the effort you have been putting into it. But the question arises, how do you make money with your Faceless YouTube channel? So here are the ways you can earn. 1. AdSense monetization, the most basic and straightforward way to make money from YouTube. You don't have to do anything. It's just once you reach the YouTube Partner Program requirements, you can display ads on your videos and earn from them. 2. Paid promotions. Another way to make money is through paid promotions. However, this takes some time. Once you have a substantial audience on your channel, advertisers will reach out to you and ask you to promote their product, which you do by adding a segment to your video. These are two major ways to make money from YouTube, and that is how you are going to make more than $5,500 every month from your Faceless YouTube channel. So that's it for the video. I hope you found it interesting and helpful. If you want to create your own high-ticket affiliate marketing business, click the link in the description below to get started. Subscribe for more of such content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.